Welcome back. Okay. So, today we're gonna continue playing our game, C.A.T.S. And we just went in here, and do you see that thing right there? In the middle. A laser. I need to go look more. A pyramid. Sticky roller. Don't know what that does. A double rocket. Okay, that stuff's pretty good. This is why we need 2 championships. Okay, so let's go straight into this and fight. Last time we got wrecked. Yeah, let's hope that doesn't happen to us again. I forgot wheels again. What the fudge? Why? Why? Oh, man, I suck. Why? Why? Okay, well. Well, actually, I kind of need it even. Good enough. Okay. Let's do this. And I'm gonna bet. Tough one. Gonna have to go with this guy. This thing, okay. Because if you bet, if you win, you get it stronger, which is very good. Okay? Now I just need to wait. And I do that. Where do I go? Championship, right? Yeah. Okay. We're gonna crush them now. We're gonna crush them like little bugs. Never mind. Never mind. I don't like Sam. I wonder my guy. Oh my god, my guy got smoldered. What the heck? Why? Like, again, same face. Like, why do you put me through this? I don't know, but it's not my fault. Haha! Someone who could actually beat. If we didn't beat this guy, I would literally just, like, end the video right now. I would cry. Honestly, cry. Come on! You got this! You don't got this! Retreat! Yes! Get wrecked. You're a noob like me. Yeah! Wait, we only got 2 wins. Oh. Fudge! Okay, it would take forever. You know? Ooh, I'm almost first, okay. But that's gonna take forever. We need better parts and stuff. Okay? How do we do this? Got 7. We need something for 2. 6. 5. 5. 6. 6. 4. What? Oh, wait. Drill. 12. 18. What? That makes no sense. Okay, well, nothing we could really do. Oh! Yay! We did it! Let's watch this fight. Yeah, let's watch. Let's watch this, guys. Whoa, that's really even. Wait. Oh. Oh. Ah, I see. Huh. Why are they so even? I had to bet this guy. Last rocket. Yes. Okay, guys. Let's do this. Hang on, what's this? You have. Oh, that's where you upgraded your stuff. Friends, I have no friends. I'm lonely. I'm so lonely. I'm lonely. I'm too lonely, guys. Way too lonely. Okay, do this. Wait, what the fudge? Hey! You're not gonna report this, Judge? Ah, I had that one in the bag, I tell you. I had it in the bag. Why? Man, I am really bad at this. Okay, we can't lose. We have more HP, but he does more damage. Great. Kill me. My guy is literally, like, my guy is just so mad at me. Like, why? You make me look like a fool. Didn't I just... Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, it has another explosion. Oh. How'd I win that? How'd I win that? Fudge. I want a box. Okay, of course I don't have no boxes. Quick fight. Need to get stronger. We got this one in the bag. Cause he's a noob like me. I'm sorry, but we're both noobs. You gotta admit, we're both noobs. Okay? Got this. Got which? Yeah, wait, 6 hours? Ah, that's so long. Too long. Too long. When night fights. Got it. Next time I might go for a different approach. Instead of using fire. Okay, yeah, definitely a different approach. I'm sorry, but rockets are way too weak. Weak. Rockets are way too weak. Edit. Get that thing out. And I'm gonna go. Which one does more damage? 23? 18? Definitely that. Okay. Do 10 more damage. Let's see how this does. If it does good, I'll accept it. Never mind, it was an embarrassment to the family. Okay, I know how to fix this. Don't worry. Don't worry, I got this. Get that wheel out. And put a small wheel in. There we go, fixed. Everything's good again. Okay, tap to watch. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. You just got shredded. You die now. I win! Woo! Okay, try it one more time. If we win, we go into the championships. I'm gonna go in the championships anyways. That was super close. But why did oh, they can start attacking me quicker. Man, I'm so dumb. So dumb. There we go. You did. Why? Why? Yes. Yes. Yes! We're actually doing good. Yes. Destroy my pretty. Destroy. Destroy. Yes. We're not bad. We're not bad. We're not bad, guys. Yes. Beautiful. Beautiful. What? Hey, oh, fudge. No, 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 just, no, 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 no. If I lose to this guy, I can't lose. Oh, you see that? Those spikes were so close. Oh my god. If I lost there, I would just leave. I'll be like, no, no. I call hacks. Ooh, okay. We're really good at this now. Okay. Okay, there's a little bit of a problem. Okay. Yeah, there might be a little bit of a problem. There. This guy, I don't know what he's doing. And we win! Woo! Oh my god, this is so good. We actually good. Oh my god, guys. Look at my little guy, so excited. Pretty sure there's a song like that. Don't know. New parts available. Duh. I had to do cake. I mean, literally, that's the name of it. Win on sneaky. Da fudge? Win on sneaky. Win on classic. What does that? Oh! Duh. I'm so dumb. Correct. Okay, I got this. We're gonna get some major upgrades in here. Major. That we lose or... I don't... My guy, don't... Oh, God. Why? I always pick the worst. Oh, wait, free. Oh. Okay. God. Ooh, what's this? Doink. Oh, upgrade too. Upgrade. Yeah, boy. Okay. We have a little bit more time. Wait. Went on classic. Which one's classic again? There we go. See that? It's me. Classic. Oh, come on! Classic sucks. I don't want to do this. Fusion. Go. Yeah. Fusion. Yeah. Okay. Scooter. Nothing's on surfer. Titan, surfer, sneaky. Oh, come on. Nothing good for the old sneaky, eh? Man. Win 100% to sneaky. Oh. Ah! Went on sneaky. I don't know. Then I go test up a little bit. There we go. 12. Ah. Oh. That was horrible. Okay, get this thing out. We're going back on surfer. That chainsaw, my bud. My bud. Where's that chainsaw at? Oh, wait, it's at the very end. What? Oh, this wasn't the same one. There we go. Okay. Okay, it's good, it's good. It's all good. It's all good right now. It's all good. Just need to put the wheels on. There we go. Oh, wait. Fudge. Okay. Well, guys, if you liked the video, leave a comment, subscribe, and like the video. Want me to play more of this? Like I said before, tell me in the comments. And I'll see you all next time. Bye!